Hello and welcome. Have you ever wondered why some people seem to bounce back from setbacks effortlessly, while others give up? The difference often isn't talent or luck, it's their mindset. Today we're going to explore two powerful ways of thinking, the fixed mindset and the growth mindset. First, let's talk about the fixed mindset. This is the belief that your abilities, intelligence, and talents are static. You're born with a certain set of skills, and that's it. If you have a fixed mindset, you might avoid challenges because you fear failure, and you might see criticism as a personal attack. Phrases like, "I'm just not good at this," or "I've never been a natural at that," are common here. You believe success is a result of innate ability, not effort. Now consider the growth mindset. This is the belief that your abilities can be developed through dedication and hard work. People with a growth mindset embrace challenges because they see them as opportunities to learn and grow. They don't fear failure, they see it as a stepping stone to improvement. They ask questions like, "What can I learn from this?" Or, "How can I get better?" They understand that effort and strategy are what lead to mastery. The power of a growth mindset is that it allows you to keep moving forward. It builds resilience and a love of learning. It's what allows great leaders and innovators to tackle impossible problems. While a fixed mindset keeps you stuck, a growth mindset unlocks your true potential. So, the next time you face a challenge, ask yourself which mindset you're using. By making one small shift in your thinking, you can change the entire direction of your life.
Imagine a world where everyone is drawing the same shapes: circles, squares, and triangles. Everywhere you look, people copy each other's work. It looks neat, but nothing really changes. Then one person steps back. Instead of copying, they stare at the blank canvas, wondering what could exist that doesn't yet. With a deep breath, they draw a brand new shape, something no one else has ever thought of. At first, the others laugh, confused by the strange creation. But slowly their eyes widen. They realize it's not just different, it's valuable. This is the power of the 0 to 1 mindset. It's about creating something new instead of repeating what already exists. Going from 0 to 1 means moving the world forward. Copying takes you from one to many, but invention takes you from nothing to something. Think about companies like Google, Tesla, or even the smartphone in your pocket. These ideas weren't copies. They were breakthroughs. They didn't just join the race, they created a new track entirely. That's why they changed everything. The 0 to 1 mindset asks a simple question. What unique problem can you solve that no one else is solving? It doesn't mean the idea has to be huge right away. Even a small but original step can reshape the future. In business, in art, or even in your personal goals, choosing to create instead of copy is what makes you stand out. The one who dared to draw something new showed us that progress only happens when someone is brave enough to start where nothing exists. So the next time you face a blank canvas, don't just draw another circle. Ask yourself, what's my 0 to 1 moment? That's where real innovation begins.
But why is it so hard to build good ones and break bad ones? The answer lies in a powerful, simple framework from James Clear's book, Atomic Habits. It's a 4-step formula designed to make habit change not just possible, but inevitable. The first step is to make it obvious. Your environment is the architect of your behavior. If you want to build a habit, make its cue visible. For example, place your workout clothes right next to your bed so you see them first thing in the morning. Next, make it attractive. We are more likely to repeat a behavior if we find it appealing. A great way to do this is with habit stacking. You simply pair an action you want to do with an action you need to do. For instance, after I make my morning coffee, I will meditate for 5 minutes. The third step is to make it easy. The less friction a habit has, the more likely you are to do it. The famous 2-minute rule applies here. Can you make your new habit take less than 2 minutes to start? Instead of reading a book for 30 minutes, just read 1 page. The goal is to make starting so easy that you can't say no. Finally, make it satisfying. A behavior is more likely to be repeated if the experience is enjoyable. You need to feel an immediate reward. After a workout, give yourself a small, healthy treat. This immediate satisfaction signals to your brain that the action was worth repeating. By understanding and applying these 4 simple laws, you can engineer your own habits. They may seem small, but over time, these atomic habits will compound to create remarkable results. Start with one simple change today, and watch as your life begins to transform.